Hey everybody, it's Neil, and ski season's gonna be coming up soon, so I have the Yidomto ski gloves. Let's go ahead and check these out. See how they are. These are some, or mittens, I guess you could say, because they're tied together there. Feels interesting. Okay, let's give this thing a try. So, let's see, why is it so warm? I think it might have a heating element going on inside of there. Does it have? If it does, it's on. It does. It's got the heater. No. Oh, I guess this is just warm from being outside. That's so funny. I thought maybe there was a heater. Okay. Let's go ahead and try this on. So inside here, oh good, we have the wrist straps. Those are totally good. Let me disconnect these two from each other. There we go. Okay. So, always nice to have the wrist straps. Then, when you're on the lift or whatever, or sometime you want to go pick your nose, you can totally take it off. And let's see what we got here. Oh, inside of the glove, it does have finger holes, so you can get your fingers into the places. So there's that. Let's see, I can go ahead and, oh, that's kind of cool. I like this strap. The strap, so you can't lose it because it's got the little bungee here. And then I can just tighten it up and strap it around. This is cool. This really got good stuff, good ideas. It's got that hard plate that I took out. That's right here. So it kind of hold it in place. So it's going to save my wrist. So if I fall down, it won't break my wrist. So that's kind of cool. Really my neat little idea there. It's very smart. Let's see, glove lining. There's just some information on it if you just need to, if you want to read about the glove linings. It's cool. It's got a little pocket up here. I can stick my credit card in there, or a heater or something like that if I want to. Kind of nice. Let's try on the other one. Oops. Oh, after sale service, I guess they have. That's what they call. Okay, pick this up. So cool the way it does that. Okay, see, so now I can just strap this one on like that. Man, that's sweet. Okay, and I feel those wrist holders in there, but I still have total connection because it only goes up to about here, so I can still make it fast. So very cool, and this one has zippers too. So I can actually do the zipper with the gloves on. So you do have some dexterity in there as well. And these are nice, and my hands are already totally warm. These are gonna be nice, good padded, warm gloves. These are great. So ready for the ski season, that's for sure. So I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt now, but eventually it's gonna get cold, and so we'll be good to go. So very cool, thumbs up, I like it. I don't know if it will let me stop the camera. Nope, I'm gonna take it off to stop the camera.